I told you I'm not here to mess around, and you've been acting too mysterious. You didn't think I'd go, but do you now? You never took me seriously. You don't have the time for me. I don't have the time to please you. I'll pack all your things away. You're welcome. Broken promises that got me out of work. I'm leaving and I'm never coming back. Don't wanna deal with you, don't wanna feel for you. It's your loss.
My goal is to reach 10k subscribers at the end of this year.
I'm leaving and I'm never coming back. Don't wanna deal
I know that's right.
don't wanna feel for you. It's your loss.
2022, honey.
I never really liked the way you dress.
We ain't about to play.
I guess I thought yourself.
I feel like I'm so emotional. Anyway, I wrote that. It's not gonna make me so
Made
emotional.
me guess, and now I want you far from close to me.
Guys,
You don't have the time for me.
you know,
I don't have the time to please you. I'll pack all your things away. You're welcome. Broken promises that got me out of work. I'm leaving and I'm never coming back. Don't wanna deal with you. Don't
negative energy. Take it all away. Take it all away. Photographers, hi gorgeous hearts, I hope you're all doing good. Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Kiki Lifestyle Major. If you're new here, welcome. I just want to say thank you to the new subscribers. It truly means a lot. I never knew I would hit 200 subscribers. It really means a lot. I truly appreciate that big time because it inspires and motivates me to keep creating more content because I feel like someone trusts my content, and so it is motivating. I'm gonna request y'all to keep sharing my videos with your friends. Help me reach 1,000 subscribers. I'll be grateful because my goal is to reach 10k subscribers at the end of this year. Thank you so much to my returning subscriber. You know I appreciate you big time. Today's video is giving masquerade, it's giving baby girl, it's giving. Let's start this video. 99% of the gifts behind here, I bought it for myself. Yes, you heard that. When I was celebrating this birthday, part of my manifestation was I have to unbox gifts. And so the gifts that are not wrapped, I already unboxed them. I've already worn them, or rather I've already used it, or rather I've already seen how it looks like. But those that have not been unwrapped, we are doing it together. So let us enjoy this video. I'm gonna start with this one. I know that's right. Let me let it relax a little bit, then I can pop it as we continue. Yes. Also wrote myself a birthday card. How cute, how cute, how cute, how cute. So beautiful. So the card says, too soon to be the wealthiest woman. On your birthday, I wish you a year full of success and glory. With faith, courage, and dedication, no dream is too big. Keep up with your efforts, staying oblivious to the results, and you will certainly get what you desire. I wish you a very happy birthday, baby girl. From Kiki Lifestyle Major on the 5th of August. 2022, honey. We ain't about to play. I know, right? I feel like I'm so emotional. Anyway, I wrote that. It's not gonna make me so emotional. Look at these beauties. Look at these beauties. I love them. I love them. So inside of these cute clear heels, I don't know if you can see them. My gosh, I love me some animal print. I've already worn them twice. Don't play with me. Girl is not about to play. So some headphones. Ooh, that freaked me out. And it comes with the connection cable and the charging cable. I'll try them later and I'll let you know how it feels. Gosh, this is gonna be my first time owning a flat iron, guys. Y'all ain't ready. You know what's up. So before we open this, let us pop the bottle. Let us pop the girl. Inside this box, I had written a card that says, "Hey beautiful, these tools will help you achieve your set goals for YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Enjoy creating content." So oh, that freaked me out. Something that can be able to use in public. Oh Jesus, what did I do? Oh, okay. Oh, and it comes with this tiny cute little thing here. It's a Bluetooth. Oh, MG, y'all ain't ready. Tick, 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 tick. Take it all away. Take it all away. This is amazing, y'all. I'm about to take my pictures unapologetically. Photographers, no, I'm lying. I still have to work with my best photographer, Ritra. So this is a phone holder and a mini ring light. Oh, this is too tiny and cute. Damn. So this is what I'm gonna be clipping on my phone. Let me just find a phone and I show you. So I think I'm supposed to clip it like that and use it to take a picture. Oh my god. Y'all ain't ready. It does change the light. Wow. OMG. If this can be able to hold my camera, yo, it's working. Gosh, finally it can serve both my camera and my phone. What an investment. It's a 500 ml water bottle. I love, love, love. I want to venture into videography and content creation after my studies, and I feel like I need to invest in this equipment, so I'm grateful for it. Comes inside with a mini gift bag, And inside the gift bags we have some goodies, if you can see well. Then oh my gosh, a Bluetooth shutter, guys. So I have two Bluetooth shutters right now, damn, and I have this clip here. Oop. Anyway, we will check this in another video. A beautiful chaos going on down here. I bought two ring lights. Honey. These things are too many, mama. Let's open this. So this is what I was given by my friend all the way from Dubai. If you watch my Instagram video, I unboxed this with you already. Inside it we have this cute little mini backpack. There's also some two goodies inside it. And the goodies are... This thing is freaking me out. Second one is this. Damn. The beach is calling. Thanks, babe. Look at this cute baby. I know that's right. I'll check my Instagram right now. You're gonna see me wearing this cute little piece. I love it. I've already worn this, so yeah. Oh, girls, are y'all ready? Look at that girl. So check my Instagram. You're also gonna see how I wore this outfit. What I wore on my birthday. I love me some velvet black cozy classy dress, and I'm gonna do a try on haul for y'all, and you're gonna see how these outfits look like. It's a stretchy trouser. It looks basic, but once I wear it, you'll understand why I bought it. So, yep. This dress inspired me to go buy another one, the longer version of this. So, stay posted and watch my videos. I have a lot of shopping haul videos that are coming through because, girl, I love shopping. I love shopping. I love shopping. I'm addicted to shopping, and I feel so good. So it's so gorgeous. It's really short. It's giving party, it's giving dinner, it's giving everything luxurious. I just wish you guys were able to see the fabric. The fabric is amazing. Inside here we have some sweatpants. Ooh, I haven't worn them yet. I'll do a try on haul for you. Another one is this. It's some yellow sweatpant. It's really beautiful. The fabric is amazing. And the last one is, so it's a white sweatpant. So white and so clean and so cozy. Yeah, also from Miss Surprise. Oh. I have never unboxed a lot of things like that in my life, like damn. Follow my Instagram. Once again, you're gonna see me post maybe these outfits before I even post the video on my YouTube. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and yeah, leave a comment below and let me know what was your favorite piece. Thanks for staying till the end of the video. You are amazing. Cheers.